Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the 24 SATA app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So to install this application, what you have to do on your Hisense Smart TV is to go over to the App Store, which should be a video app store. You're using the right Hisense Smart TV. So as you go over here, go straight away to the search bar and type in the name of application we're looking for, which is 24 SATA. So you can just go here and type SATA. You don't need to type in the name, the whole name of the application. So just go here and type in this. And if you search, you are going to get several applications like this. Okay, this doesn't bring us to the application that we're looking for. So I'm going to type in more. So I want to type in full name of application, which is 24 SATA. So please, you make sure that you do the same on your Hisense Smart TV. Just type in name application, which is 24 S A T A. I go ahead and search. So here's the application. Once you search, it's going to bring you here. Then you can just go ahead and load the application, and then you're going to get the install button, which you just click install, and then you're good to go. You choose where to place the application, and then you can go ahead and launch it and start going through what the application is all about. And that's it about the video. Make sure and like and subscribe for more important videos like this.